Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on iPhone. To fix this, here are some simple steps. First of all, click on settings and then go to Wi-Fi and turn off and turn it on again. Now you can restart your phone and then reconnect to your network again. If the issue still continues, again go to settings and tap on the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected in and click on forget this network, and then again reconnect by entering the password again. You can also reset network settings if nothing works, and that's it. Your Wi-Fi connection should now be more stable and working properly. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.